4041, if you could copy, we're holding a airport-bound train in Embarcadero. Central is reporting that the train operator got an intercom call that someone on the trail B was shot. We have no further.
If you can, pull cameras up, see if there's anything on the platform in Embarcadero.
We have cameras up. It's on the train. We can't see anything.
As far as looking for maybe a crowd milling on the platform.
I can't copy that due to traffic. Do we have any other calls coming from the citizen?
We're just now getting them. There's not much information except for someone's bloody on the train.
40, well, 21, we can't copy.
It's code 33 from Embarcadero.
That's not copy the update. So let's start 50 and 51 that way.
It sounds like the subject might have gone off of West Oak. We're heading down right now.
Templar.
41. One person RP that just passed by. A black male possibly shot the subject and off-boarded at West Oakland. I'll get more information once we're on the train.
Templar.
1149 to West Oakland.
13 around to West Oakland.
Templar. And 40 or 41, advisors, medical is clear when you can.
Right now we're looking for the victim. The train car's clear. Seems everybody's gone. But there is lead. That's Friday.
10-4.
David 63, attaching.
41.
This train is going to have to go out of service for evidence. 1768.
10-4.
If you can have the station, the train operator make announcements to have everybody off board, that'd be great.
10-4.
L15, can video recovery CSO call 70? Yeah, 40 for the notes. No one's willing to give me a statement down here. Officer Bradley's taking one. I'm securing the train car.
I do have a victim description in case 4243 wants to canvas.
Go ahead.
Black male, black sweater, white shirt. He has a red ski mask. He has some type of dark color bike with a JBL boombox. The wound is said to be on his left forehead.
The TO's going to leave the doors cycled open. They're making announcements for everyone off board. L15.
Did you want the station closed, or you just don't want anyone else accessing the platform?
L15, I believe I told them no more entries to the platform. They may have closed the station. Either one is good with me.
Richie, this incident allegedly happened on the trail. Is that correct?
Trail B of 10.
10-4.
40.
40.
Train's been swept. It's secured. We're going to be checking concourse for any victims and suspects. We still do not have a suspect description.
10-4.
L15, I copy. Train swept. And 40, just confirm this train is not leaving here, correct? L15, that train is holding there.
In car 1768.
Hey, from. So I clear to release the incident train to the yard.
L15, I copy. There'll be an update. That train is going to go to SFO Platform 3, and the ID techs will have the van brought out to them there.
SFO Platform 3, copy.
And L15, just confirm CSO De Los Reyes copied that as well.
David 63, she copies.
15, I copy. We found the impact.
Okay.
Good.
San Francisco just called. They're reporting a 245 that occurred at 16th Street, and they want us to meet them at 1950 Mission. They're out with the victim that was pistol whipped. So I'd like you to meet them at 1950 Mission.
Definitely 1950 Mission. For the shooting, confirm that pistol whip 245 is called.
San Francisco is saying that this person matches the description of the shooting victim that we gave them. And he has a head wound, what may have been pistol whipped. The victim that San Francisco wanted us to meet them at 1950 Mission matches the description that we gave them of the shooting victim. Does have a head wound. They think he was pistol whipped.
10-4. Is there a separate call that the sergeant's inquiring about?
We originally got a separate call of a 245 pistol whip. The San Francisco call us back. They think it's the same person.
So it appears that it's one of the famous victims, saying that he was over at Montgomery. According to the medic, it's consistent with a gunshot. Do you know if DD wants to come out and do the full investigation? He's going to be transported soon.
43 is advising medics saying that the wound is consistent with a gunshot. The subject at 16th Street is one and the same. Are you guys going to respond?
Yeah, we can have us there and talk to him. Is he going to be transported anywhere or just there?
43, where is he going to be transported to?
Yeah, 43, he's going to be transported to SFGH.
43, 29 at Frank, 29 at Mary times 3.
Go with it.
San Francisco holds 3 of them. The F Frank is for 5,000 for 487C, 148A1. 2 at Mary's, one's for $1,000, 243B boy and 69A. The third one is also 1,000, 69A, 243B boy. And the last misdemeanor is out of San Mateo for $2,500 for 460B boy. Subject has ID and a PFN. Cream shows 148A1 and 245A.
Yes, and 40 is riding with medics SFGH.
Cover. Update for the suspect in this Embarcadero call. Black male, 20 to 23, dark complexion, 3-inch short locks, 1 eyes, 5'11" to 200 pounds, medium built, black and white jacket, and black and gray pants.